Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show how you can make a super cute and easy snowman out of a waste bulb. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing because I make videos related to DIYs and home decor. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, take any waste bulb. Then take some pieces of cotton. Now take white glue and apply it all over the bulb and start pasting the cotton over it. Once the entire bulb is covered with cotton, take a rubber band and place it over the bulb. This will separate the lower part from the upper part. Next, I have taken a chart paper measuring 10 cm into 4 cm and I'll draw 1 cm line at the bottom. Now join the two ends of the chart paper to make a cylindrical shape. Now make small slits at the 1 cm line. Once you are done making all the slits, start pushing them in outward direction. Then take a black chart ring and paste it over the slits. Then take a small chart paper piece and trace the inner circle of the hat over it. Now cut it using a pair of scissors. Then take the hat and make small slits at its upper side. And after making the slits, start folding them inside. And now paste the chart cutout over the slits. To decorate the hat, I have taken a red ribbon. Now to make the nose of snowman, I have taken an orange art paper and I am making a cone out of it. Now apply glue at the base of the hat and paste it over snowman's head. Now paste the nose as well. Now take a chart paper and punch 2 holes in it and use these circles as eyes. Then I have taken a red ribbon to make the scarf. Again, I am using black chart circles as buttons. And with this, our cute little snowman is ready. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do so, then please hit like button and subscribe my channel for more such DIYs. Thanks for watching.